Hi everybody, hope you're doing great. Today I'll be reviewing CBD Extract by CBD Vape Shot. CBD Vape Shot is a high-quality CBD extract produced from a hemp-derived crystalline cannabinol, which is isolated through CO2 extraction and crystal precipitation. CBD Vape Shot is manufactured in the USA under federal government approval. It is compliant under FDA laws and is validated through the HPLC. CBD Vape Shot comes in 3 strengths and is designed to mix with your favorite e-liquid. It's available in 250, 500, and 1,000 milligrams. To use the CBD Vape Shot, add the desired amount to your short fill bottle. The CBD extract is thick and it will float on top of the e-liquid. Before each use, shake the bottle well to mix the blend. This is the first time that I've tried CBD, so I started with a lower 250 milligram dose. For me, it was almost odorless, and I didn't taste it in the e-liquid. CBD is used for many ailments, including anxiety and depression, which reduces blood pressure, digestive issues like Crohn's disease. It is an anti-inflammatory, and it helps with chronic pain and arthritis. It can also aid with sleep disorders. Personally, I didn't experience any obvious effects except possibly a reduction in stress and anti-inflammatory help after a long day of yard work. I think at a higher dose, I may experience more noticeable results. CBD Vape Shot currently runs $16.99 up to $58.85 depending on the strength. If you'd like to try some CBD Vape Shot for yourself, just click on the info link in the description box below this video. As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and connect with me on my social sites. Have an excellent day, and may the vape be with you.